silence. I don't wanna hear any voice in my head anymore. Something guilty, something angry, something that I looked back, something that I haven't done well, something I wish that I could do better, something I wish I hadn't done it, something I wish I had done it, something I wish I could forget, something big I regret as my heart breaks. I'm exhausted, I have no more energy, I just don't wanna hear any sounds. The voice in my head